Hi wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be based on the tip of this girdle. So I think some people call it loin, but I feel the loin is the waist itself, like your waist itself, that's your loin. But the girdle is the girdle itself, that's the amure, that's the girdle. So this is the one I was already sewing on before I realized that I should have done a tutorial on that, but it's not too late to do it. So what I just basically did on that, you can see it came out really nice. What I just did was folded in 1/2 inch. So I just folded it in and then sew it all the way down. So you can also pin it down so that it's going to come out really neat. If not, it's going to be having all this like edges. It's not going to be neat. So what I just did was folded it like this, sewed it a little bit, then folded it again and sewed it a little bit. So in case you don't have electricity light, you can use this method. You don't need to wait for NEPA light. So this is our NEPA, it is well. Anyways, so there's another method you can use again. You can just fold in 1/2 inch, then use your steaming iron to iron it down. So this is easier. Like all you just need to do is just sew it straight, so you don't need to like fold it and start folding and folding. So it's a straight method, but all you just need to do is use your steaming iron to steam it down, to sew iron it down. So in case you don't have a steaming iron, please go and do contribution. If you don't have money for steaming iron, go and get it. It will make your work very easy, very neat, especially for we fashion designers that want our work to be like come out. That's the finishing of a cloth actually. After sewing a cloth, it will just look normal, but once you iron it, it's going to come out really, really, really nice. Like it's going to come out perfectly. Please, if you are starting your sewing, make sure you start from this joint part, so that by the time you get to the other side, that's this part, even if it's bent, it will still be okay. You understand? But if you go and start from that part, there's tendency for it to bend when it gets to this part, and it's not going to come out nice. So just start from this joint part all the way down, please. So it's all the way down like this. So that's just it. So you can see how nice it came out, how neat it is. So it's not just about sewing, it's about the perfection. That's just it. So in case you are adding a strand, so the strand is the Yoruba name, I'll place it there, Ikoti Amuri. So that's the strand. In case you're adding the strand, I don't have it right now, that's why I did not do the tutorial. I would have done maybe subsequently when I continue posting, I'll do that. So some of those strands used to have design at the tip, so make sure you don't place it all the way in. So part of the design is going to be like outside, then you are going to fold in the 1/2 inch, so iron it. So make sure you iron it, don't just fold it, so that it's going to look neat. So once you iron it, it's going to come out nice. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Love you all.